We are driving a Tesla.
How am I allowed to do this right now?
I feel like you're gonna crash.
No, but he just gave me a Tesla and I'm driving a Tesla right now.
Where are we gonna go?
I don't know.
Is it the same way to drive a normal car?
Yes, I've test driven cars before, but it's like, look. Play Khalid. Guys, this is insane. I don't even know who I'm talking to right now or what I'm doing, but I just drove this. Like, you can't even see on the camera because like
I just burped.
this is so crazy. It's not even a question of if I get it now, it's a question of just when I get it. Like, I am definitely getting this. Open YouTube. Here we go. Let's look up me. Hey everyone, today's video, I'm going to be singing the entire... Hey, what's up guys? Right now I'm currently, this is crazy, but I'm actually buying a Tesla. What you do is you put $100 down and basically like that reserves you a spot to get a Tesla. I spoke with the people at Tesla just because it's telling me right now that it's going to take 8 to 12 weeks to get here, which is ridiculous. I called someone in customer service. They said it'll actually be 1 to 2 weeks, so to just ignore that and call someone once I put my 100 down. So basically we're going to do this like right now. Like, I've had this idea for 2 weeks. My girlfriend was like, it's possible. I was like, no, it's not possible. And today we took it for a test drive and I'm obsessed. So we're gonna just get it over with right now. All right, so I am gonna go with the white.
No.
My girlfriend wants me to go black, but
It's so beautiful.
I'm gonna do the pearl white just because it's the free included one. I'm also gonna do, honestly, people don't like the Aero wheels, but I actually like them versus like these, which are $1,500 more. Interior all black. I actually don't even like the white. I kind of think the white's ugly, but white gets dirtier way easier, and this one's free, so we're doing that. And autopilot is included. I'm not going to pay $7,000 for full self-driving because that's ridiculous. But autopilot's free, so I'm definitely going to do that. Alright, so I don't want to show the whole screen just because my credit card information is on there, but as soon as I press this...
You do not.
Why isn't it loading?